In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate Ghibli-style images with ChatGPT. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to start by opening up ChatGPT. You can easily do this by typing the website in your browser. Once you're there, just take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. Now that we're on ChatGPT, the next step is to upload any photos or files you'd like to use for your image generation. Look for the option that says Add Photos and Files. It's usually located in the chat area or at the bottom of the screen. Simply click on it, and it will prompt you to select a file from your device. Remember, you don't have to use your own images if you don't want to. You can just go ahead and generate something completely original. Once your file is uploaded, it's time to start crafting your prompt. This is where the magic happens. You'll want to be specific about what you want. For example, if you want a beautiful landscape that captures the whimsy and charm of a Studio Ghibli film, you can type that right into the chat box. Describe elements like the setting, colors, and any characters you envision. The more detail you provide, the closer the output will be to your imagination. After you've typed in your prompt, the next thing you'll need to do is hit the Enter button. This will send your request for image generation. Excitement is in the air as you await the creation that'll come from your prompt. Give it a moment. Sometimes it takes a little bit for ChatGPT to conjure up the image art. And now, we reach the moment we've all been waiting for. Once your image is generated, you'll want to save it to your device. Look for the download option, usually displayed alongside the image. Click on that and choose a location where you want to save it. Voila! You now have a Ghibli-style image that you can marvel at or share with your friends. Remember, creating Ghibli-style images is all about capturing that whimsical essence with stunning visuals and enchanting scenes. Don't hesitate to experiment with different prompts and styles. Each creation can be a new adventure, offering unique and delightful surprises. And that's it. You now know how to generate your very own Ghibli-style images with ChatGPT. Easy, right? I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful in tapping into your creative side. If you have questions or if there's anything specific you'd like to learn about next time, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to keep up with our future videos. Happy creating!